Now, days after Priyanka Gandhi Vadra stoked controversy by bringing bags in the parliament which had Bangladesh and Palestine written on the bags, it's the BJP MP who has gifted Priyanka Gandhi Vadra a bag which had 1984 written on it. This to send out a message to the Congress regarding the 1984 massacre. All those details in this next report.
After Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra created a stir by carrying a Palestine bag to the parliament, BJP MP Aparajita Sarangi gifted a bag with 1984 written in red to the Congress MP. Sarangi said that Priyanka accepted the bag but with reluctance.
See, yes, Priyanka Gandhi ji is very fond of bags, and that is why many of the members of parliament and I gifted a bag to her.
The BJP MP further said that it was an attempt to remind Priyanka about the 1984 anti-Sikh riots.
1984 riots was written, and there were drops of blood. We reminded her of what happened during the time of her party's rule in the country. 1984 riots had taken place, so we reminded her. It's very important for all of us here in the BJP, in the NDA, the country's people, to remind the Congress of all the historical errors that they have committed. And that is why we actually did that. And if we recall, in the Rajya Sabha, Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji's speech was fantastic, was wonderful. And the basic aim was to unveil the face of the Congress before the people of the country and to remind them of all the historical errors they have been committing all through.
This comes a day after the BJP alleged that Rahul Gandhi pushed BJP members at Makardwar in the parliament. Congress's Priyanka Gandhi recently made headlines by carrying a Palestine bag to the parliament. The move attracted criticism from the BJP, which labelled it as appeasement.
Now, days after Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis claimed that there has been an involvement of Maoists in the Bharat Jodo Yatra of Rahul Gandhi, the BJP has sharpened its attack, saying that there is a need for an investigation regarding the involvement of Maoists in the Bharat Jodo Yatra of the Congress leader. All those details in this next report.
In an exclusive interview to Republic, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had claimed that Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra was funded by urban Naxals. He promised to bring the truth to light soon. Weeks later, Fadnavis spoke in the Maharashtra Assembly, claiming to have concrete proof of a controversial meeting between Bharat Jodo leaders and urban Naxals held in Nepal.
लोकसभेमध्ये 18 फेब्रुवारी 2014 म्हणजे कोणाचं सरकार होतं? मनमोहन सिंग साहेबांचं सरकार होतं. 18 नाना त्यावेळेचे खासदार होते. त्यांनी प्रश्न विचारला होता. त्यावेळी त्यांनी लोकसभेमध्ये केंद्राच्या सरकारने 72 फ्रंटल संघटनांची नावं घोषित केली आहे. त्यातल्या 7 महाराष्ट्रातल्या ज्या तुमच्या भारत जोडोच्या आहेत.